VSS stands for sexist and sexual violence, more commonly called sexual and gender-based violence in English. But what do these words mean exactly? V for violence. The word violence comes from the Latin word vis, force, and the Old French violare, to treat with violence or impose by force. The word firstly implies a form of domination to force one party to submit to the other. Violence is different from conflict. There can be a conflict between two parties who disagree, but violence means that force is used to dominate and subjugate someone. Depending on the type of force used, we will describe the violence as either physical, verbal, psychological, administrative, socioeconomic. In addition, violence has an impact on the victims, on their physical or mental health, on their social life, on their work. It is a violation of their human dignity. S for sexist. Sexism is any act based on the sex of the person which creates an intimidating, hostile, or offensive situation for them. It is any behavior, remarks, comments, gestures, which delegitimizes, stigmatizes, or humiliates the victims who are impacted by it. Sexist behavior is based on beliefs about femininity and masculinity, attributing distinct and hierarchical social roles to individuals, generally to the detriment of women. Sexism both reflects and fuels this social hierarchy. S for sexual. Sexual violence is any form of violence linked to sexuality. Violent remarks or behavior with a sexual connotation, including those related to sexual orientation. Sexual violence can be physical, verbal, or include the use of sexual images or gestures.